welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my roaming closet. If you're first time to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you get notified of future videos. And as always, if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. I just have so much fun doing these unboxings and connecting with a lot of different YouTubers. Today is Stitch Fix. So I've actually had this for like a week. I got it when I was in Chicago, and I've had so many unboxings to do and preparations for us to go back to Arizona that it's just been hectic. So now I'm relaxing. I've got my water and I'm going to open Stitch Fix. It's kind of a small box, so I'm assuming there's no shoes, no handbags, or anything like that in there. As most of you know, Stitch Fix is a monthly subscription service. You can actually get it monthly, every other week. You can get it annually, so pretty much whenever you want. So there's really not a huge commitment. It's $20 a month, but Stitch Fix has been doing something new where they've been offering styling passes to a lot of people. So you pay a one-time fee of $49 and then no more fees for the rest of the year. But what's exciting, what they're going to do is, if you're first time to Stitch Fix, you can use my link below and they will give you a $25 credit for you to try it. I also get $25, so I would appreciate it. But more importantly, you get to try it, you get $25, and you don't have to pay that first fee. So let's get started. As always, there's a free postage paid bag in there, so you don't pay shipping either way. Some states do charge sales tax. I'm one of those. I had opened a mix and match boxing, and I don't think they charge me sales tax. So when you think about it, it kind of saves you a lot of money. So enclosed is the style card with everything that's in there, and there's a note from my stylist, is Brianna. I've had her for some time. I'm not going to read it because I want to be kind of surprised. And then of course is the bad news is the billing. If you keep all 5, you get a 25% discount, so that's always fun. And oh, it looks like there's a piece of jewelry in here, because here's my bundle. It definitely looks like there's a pair of jeans in here and a box of jewelry. So let's start out with the jewelry first. Hopefully all you guys are having an awesome weekend. I know it's kind of cloudy and rainy here in Washington today. The box looks like it got just a little battered. And it looks like it's a necklace. So give me 1 second to get it out of the little plastic bag, and I probably have to do some untangling, maybe not. It's like a layered thing, but I think it's, there we go. So it looks like this. Oops. It's got silver and gold in there. So I'll try it on with one of my outfits. I'm not really crazy about these longer necklaces because I don't really wear a lot of sweaters to show it off. But you never know. So let's get to the unboxing or unbagging. The first thing is a Laylee size large navy top. It is really cute. It would be great under a cardigan, with the skirt, with the suit. It really is cute. I don't really have a need for this type of top, but again, you try the stuff on and your mind totally changes. The next thing is a collective concepts in a size large. It's got a little tassel. I know my girl Kelly loves her little tassels. So it's actually really pretty colors. Again, under cardigan, with the suit, with dress pants. So that's really nice. The next thing looks like another top. Oh, it's actually a kimono. I'm not a huge kimono wearer, but it's really pretty colors. And again, my son's getting married in Mexico next year, so you just never know. It might be a nice little cover up as well. And the last thing is a pair of jeans. They are just black in an indigo color. Pretty basic. There's a little distressing on the front. The legs have that little hem. Could you see that? So I've got enough skinny jeans to last me for a while. So I'm looking more for a boot cut pant, but again, you just never know. So I'm gonna go ahead and try all this on for you, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I am wearing, excuse me, I'm wearing the ladder necklace, the kimono, the Emery Park kimono, the just black, the frayed hem capris, and the Laylee Ivy Swiss dot blouse. So I'm actually liking this outfit. There's the necklace. I'll get a kind of a closer look so you can see the top. See if I can step up so that you can see. I know it's a little dark. So you can see the back of the kimono. So again, it's really a cute outfit after all. So I'm going to take off the kimono. I've got the necklace, the top. These are the jeans. Again, I don't know if I can get my leg up there. They're capris. Definitely don't need those. We're going into the cooler weather, so I don't need it. But I wanted to show you what they look like. They're a skinny jean. So I kind of really like the top and the necklace and the kimono together. So now I got to think about that because it is kind of cute. Please let me know in the comments what you think, because I really need help on this one, guys. So I'm going to be back with the last top. So hold on. Okay, I'm back with the last top. This is the Collective Concepts Wilson tie neck top, and it's got the cute little tassels on it. So I hope you can see how it looks. It fits good. You know, it's kind of like they make the material for all their tops out of the same. So I feel like a lot of these tops, although they're different colors, they just feel the same. So I will be right back with the recap. Okay, I'm back for the recap. That was like an easy try on because I wore 4 pieces in one outfit. So I felt like I didn't really have to change as much. So let's go over everything. The necklace, the gold silver, was $28. The Emery Park Kaylee Open kimono, I actually like that kimono. And I could wear it with a white top, a blue top, is only $34. The just black capris were $78. The Laylee dot blouse was $40, and this Collective Concepts I still have on is $58. So the whole subtotal would be $238. The buy all discount of 25%. brings it down to $178.50. Anytime you can get a box under 200, you're doing good. But I felt that a lot of this was summer. The kimono, the blue top, this top, even the capris. And Stitch Fix does not give, you know, sales or discounts for end of the year. And I don't know about you guys, but I think they should. Again, if you go out to any of the stores, you can get their summer clothes for 50, 70% off, whereas this top alone would be $58. It's just how I feel. My stylist is great. It's Brianna, and she kind of listens to what I like, and she says, I still decided to send some summer pieces since you mentioned you would be back in Arizona. So again, I'm just a little bit out on the fence with all the summer pieces. So I love Stitch Fix. You know, I get 5 for 5s. This time around, I probably won't keep anything because I just got that mix and match box and I kept a lot in that box. Please comment below. Let me know what you think of the pieces, what you think of the video. I will put my Stitch Fix link below so that if your first time, you can get the $25 credit. And as always, I really appreciate you guys watching my channel. Since I'm retired, this is like great for me. So as always, you guys have an awesome day, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like the video. Bye-bye.